After making some profit from the stock market, there are some persons that ask me the question, how do they go about withdrawing their interest from the stock market? Now, I'll be answering the question in today's video, and I'll be telling you how to sell off your stock in today's video. So, when it comes to the stock market, if you invest an amount in the stock market and the amount appreciates in price, it literally means that the value of that your investment has increased in price. Now, you might be seeing some profits. Let's say you invested 100,000 naira, and currently the value of that your investment is now 150,000 naira. Now, to you, the 50,000 naira is a profit, but you cannot really withdraw that profit like a profit per se. You have to sell off your stock if you want to withdraw an extra amount you've invested. Now, I'll rightly explain it for you before I show you how to withdraw on Afrinvestor or sell off your stock on Afrinvestor. So let's say you got 100 units of a stock for 100,000 naira. Now, one unit of that stock is 1,000 naira. So 100 units of that stock is 100,000 naira. After a while, the stock appreciated to 150,000 naira for 100 units. It's no longer 1,000 naira per unit, it's now 1,500 naira per unit. Now your stock has gotten 50% return on investment. That's 50% profit, or it has appreciated 50%. Now, some persons are wondering, how do they go about withdrawing that 50,000 naira profit or that 50,000 naira interest? The truth is, you don't withdraw that 50,000 naira interest without selling off your stock. Now, you got 100 units of the stock. If you want to sell it off or you want to withdraw some amount, you need to sell off some units you've purchased. Now, like I earlier mentioned, you got 100 units of the stock and it's now valued for 150,000 naira. If you want to withdraw or if you want to get 50,000 naira, that seems like your profit. But if you want to get that amount, you need to sell off that stock. You need to sell off a good number of that stock. Since you got 100 units of that stock, you can consider selling maybe 20 units, or you can consider selling 25 or 30 units of that stock so that you can withdraw some amount from your stock. So literally what you are doing is that you are selling off some fraction of the stock you bought. Now, once you sell off, you will not get 100 units of the stock again. Let's say you are selling off 30 units of that stock, you are now left with 70 units of that stock. The price might still be equivalent to 100,000 naira because there's an increase in the price difference based on when you bought it and what it is now. So once you have 70 units of the stock, it can still be 100,000 naira. That seems to be your capital, but you don't have 100 units of the stock again. I don't know if this thing best explain how to go about trading on the stock market or selling a stock, because some persons find it confusing. They feel like, okay, since I've gotten 50,000 naira, let me just go about withdrawing that 50,000 naira. If you want to withdraw that 50,000 naira, you need to sell off 50,000 naira equivalent of the stock. If the stock is now valued for 2,000 naira, you need to sell 25 units of that stock. If the stock is valued for 1,500, you need to do your math to know how to sell off 50,000 naira equivalent of that stock. So it is that simple. Now, if you want to sell off a stock, it's very much simple. All you have to do is to go over to Afrinvest, click on the stock, and you have to now click on sell the stock. Now, once you click on sell the stock, it will be showing you some things. You need to click on the market order, or you need to click on limit order, choosing the one you want to choose. You can click I go with market order. It should execute at a certain time, like it should execute now based on the market order. But if you click on limit order, you are putting a price you want it to execute, maybe a price or higher than what you want it now. If the price is for 2,000 naira, now you can tell it, okay, I want you to execute it at 2,200 naira. So it will wait till the stock gets to 2,200 naira. I also choose good for the day. Now, once you've done choosing all that, you can now sell off the stock. Now, the thing about selling off a stock is that you don't receive the money immediately. You receive the money after 3 business days, and the money goes straight to your account. The money does not come to your dashboard or your investment dashboard. The times I've withdrawn a stock, it comes straight to my account after 3 working days. So it just goes straight to the account you use in Afrinvestor, your bank account directly, and that's where you see your money for your stock. Now, any charges that they want to take, they'll show you first. So the amount you are receiving in your bank account is the final amount they showed you before you sold off the stock. So it's that easy to sell off a stock. Buying stock is more like you getting some units at a certain price, and when you want to sell now, it means that it has appreciated in price. You don't just sell off your interest. All you do is that you sell off some units you have already. I think this best explain how to go about selling stock stock, and how not to get confused as regards withdrawing your interest and the rest of them. Now, there are some other investments where you can just withdraw your interest and your capital is also still there, but when it comes to the stock market, withdrawing your interest means you have to sell off some stock. So if you want more videos like this, do also subscribe to this channel as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Don't forget to hit that like button. Also drop a comment if you have some questions. So till our next one, peace.